I'm Lily Stolzberg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny, who is about to make a very romantic dish.
They say nothing says love like lobster, right? Remember that?
Yeah.
So we're doing it today. Shrimp stuffed with crab, topped in lobster sauce.
Ooh, romantic.
There you go. Today we're using lobster bisque for our lobster sauce. We're gonna get going on our stuffing, okay, Lo? So that's some Dijon, some mayo, diced bell peppers are in. Let's do all of the parsley.
All the parsley.
Half of the scallions. This is white and greens sliced very thin. Panko breadcrumb there. And about 8 ounces of special crab meat. We got huge shrimp. Huge. Look at that.
Wow.
So we're gonna butterfly them now, okay? We're gonna take a nice little mound of this crab meat stuffing that we got here, right? Tail's gonna sit right over the top. And then we're gonna put it down like this. All right, so now we're gonna get some extra virgin olive oil. So do it for 450, quick, like 8 minutes.
All right.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go, some nice crab meat stuffed shrimp. Lobster sauce right here. A little bit right on top. I mean, that's Valentine's Day dinner right there, right?
If this doesn't get you a second date, nothing will. So if you want to try this for your loved ones, head to our website, news12.com. The recipe will be there. Can't wait to try this.
My pleasure as
Thank you.
always.